Anyhow, tubes, that's the new filter. K&N. Right, look at this, look. That's the old thing that come off. What do you think? I've made these studs so I'll get the cover on. Fine, tubes, alright? Right, so can you record what I'm doing now? Can you see? So what I've done is I've made these studs so I'll get the filter. This holds it all together, look, tubes. Alright. So I can get this piece on. It's going to be tricky. Yes. Right. Where's the bolt? Right, now take a stud out that I've made. These. To hold it, keep everything in place. Replace it with a normal. Are you still recording alright, Claire?
Yes, my darling.
Probably a bit tight because that's gone in, has it? I think it's gone in alright. I think it has, tubes. Yeah, I think it has. I'll take these out, look. Just replace them with the proper bolts. It's probably a bit tighter than the original, but make sure you don't get them cross-threaded, tubes. You don't want a lot, especially this one with that on, tubes, because that's only like some sort of type of plastic or something. Alright, line him up. You still recording alright, fella?
Yes, my
Come back
darling.
a bit now, walk back a bit so you can get in the way. Right, is that all on? That's on properly, the tubes, yeah. Just give it a bit now. I might be a bit nervous, tubes, because I love whole thread. You don't want a lot. Look, for tubes, look. See how I do it, look. Just a finger about there, look. So you can't get much torque on there. It's only about that with one finger. These can go a bit more, but even they don't need that much. Well, I don't think you. You got the tissue float?
No, I'll give you the last, my dear.
Well, there you have it, tubes. And these are the studs I made to make that job easier.
Let's have a look at the studs, my dear.
I just cut down some bolts. That's all on proper, isn't it, Flo? That is
So
all
what did you do them studs for, my dear?
to help me assemble that. That's the old filter, look.
Ew.
Trappy, isn't it? A lot of difference, isn't there, tubes? Come on, be honest.
Ew.
A lot of difference. And I made them studs because it's hard to get the right. Like, you have to try and hold the backing plate on with your hand in that slot there. And I'll get my wife to check. I tightened them up, didn't I?
Yes, you did,
Tightened the 300
Superman.
carbs, it's wired. You might have seen that when I showed you, I don't know. But you wire them. The others are done tight but not overly tight. But you always wire the ones that join the air cleaner, the box, to the carb. They're wired so they can't come undone. That's important. You don't want anything going through there to be a bad day.
And you had Superman help you.
So there we have it. So we'll upload this and we'll see what it's like in a bit. So check, catch you later.